In this video, we'll show you how to replace the AC belt on your Ford Edge. This is located in the front of the vehicle and on the driver's side in the wheel well. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove the lug nuts using a 21mm socket. And we can remove the wheel. Looking in the wheel well, against the frame rail, we have one 5.5mm screw here. We would have one right here. It looks like that broke off at some point in the past. And we have 6 more of those along the edge of the bumper. And we have 2 more of these down in the front here. Now we can take the front portion of the fender liner and fold it behind the rotor. That'll give us access to our belt. We'll be using a remover tool. And line the remover tool up with the remover side facing the belt. Now we'll turn the engine over clockwise using a 21mm. You only need to turn it about halfway, then you can remove the belt. We can get our AC belt in and onto the AC compressor. And line up the bottom portion of the belt onto the crankshaft. We get the belt onto the AC compressor. Make sure that the ribs of the belt are lined up. Now I'm going to use a cable tie through the crankshaft. And this will help hold the belt on while we rotate it. Now we can start to rotate the crankshaft clockwise. You want to make sure that the ribs of the belt are going to end up lining up. You want to have the outside of the belt facing towards you. You can remove the cable tie and double check that the ribs of the belt are lined up on both the crankshaft as well as the AC compressor. We can get the fender liner back in place. Start pushing it up from the back side and get it all lined up. We can get the screws back in. And we have 2 more down bottom. We can get the wheel installed on the hub. I like to push in on the bottom of the wheel. We get the first lug nut threaded in all the way. We can get the rest of the lug nuts on. Now we can snug these down in a star pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we can torque our lug nuts to 162 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.